3 exponent x times 9 exponent x plus 1 over 27 exponent x plus 2. In brackets, leave the answer with positive exponents only. Let me just give you a minute to simplify it. Oh yes, you got it right. Next, confirm the answer. So we keep the 4 roots, we keep the 3 exponent x, we break the 9 into prime. The 9 is 3 squared, then exponent of x plus 1. Write the 27 in exponential form with a base of 3, so it's 3 exponent 3, the x plus 2. 4 roots, we simplify the numerator. That's 3 exponent x times, remove the brackets, we multiply the exponents, so that will be 3. 2 times x is 2x is positive 2. The denominator, we do the same, multiply the exponents, so 3 times x is 3x, 3 times 2 is positive 6. That will be 4 roots. We apply the laws of exponent. Remember the laws, same base. We'll keep the base of 3 and add the exponents. That is x plus 2x plus 2 over 3 exponent 3x plus 6. So 4 root numerator is 3x plus 2x, 3x plus 2 over 3x plus 6. Then we keep the roots, 4 roots, same base, divide, we keep the base minus the exponent, so it's 3 of 3x minus 3x plus 2 minus 6. Keep the root 4. 3x and 3x will give us 0. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. Then we'll have 3 exponent negative 4. So it's 3 with exponent negative 4, then by 4. This is 3 exponent negative 1. You leave the answer with a positive exponent, so this is 1 over 3.